Welcome back, YouTube. Once again, we're going to do some drum brakes on this Cobalt, and should be fun. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is jack up the car, pop this tire off. Here's the part number for the drum. Here's the part number for the spring kit. Here's the part number for the shoes. First thing you want to do is take a hammer and get in here and spread this apart and take the old drum off. I'm going to need two hands, but you get the point. Since it's so nasty in here, first thing I'm going to do is spray the crap out of it with brake cleaner. Now that we're all cleaned off, next thing I'm going to do is take pictures to make sure I put it all back the way it is. First, I disconnected that spring from that silver piece there. Then I pulled that little clamp spring deal out of the brake shoe hole, and it sort of all just fell apart. So yeah, next step is remove the rest of this all the way off, and then pull this brake pad out. For this part, you need to spread that spring a little bit, and then the bracket will just come off of the wire, and then you do the same thing to put the new one on. So getting this thing out wasn't such a big deal, but getting it put back together, holy crap. Anyways, you just have to work at it, and you'll get it in. You want to lube this and then put it together with the adjuster. So the easiest way I found to do this was to put this clip in first, okay, with the two pads. So this one's already hooked to the e-brake part, so you're gonna hook this down in the bottom and here, and then bring this other pad, put it in the hole, and then you're gonna play with it to get these into the master cylinder area, and then we can go about doing the other stuff. So let me reline this up. This little W spring needs to be on that nipple in the back. P.S. I hate drum brakes. Anyways, you need to have this red clip seated all the way down on the little hook in the back. Otherwise it's not going to work right. It throws everything out of whack. So that wasn't very fun, but you just gotta mess with it. I don't know a good way to tell you how to do that. Then I have this loosened all the way, so I got that in. Then this little piece just slides on again like this, okay. And then this eye, you want the hook facing in, and then the loop goes around there. And then I'm gonna need pliers, but it goes on that hole over here where my finger's at, and that'll hold all that together. Alright, clean everything out with brake cleaner, and now we're gonna adjust the brakes now that we have it all back together. So we're gonna put this on, put on 2 lug nuts, and then go from there. There's the hole in the back. There's a rubber plug that goes in here. Now it's time you can put these new plugs in the back side of the drum area. So we're gonna test this. The self-adjuster works just by mashing the brake real hard and letting go. I don't know if you can hear the click, but each time I let go it'll click. That's the self-adjusters tightening up. Once it stopped clicking with the car off, pushing the brake, I turn the car on and pump the brake, until it stopped clicking, and yeah, that took about another 10 or 15 clicks out of it as soon as I turned the car on and did it. And so now I'm gonna go take it for a test drive. Well, I just got back from the test drive and everything seems to be very good. It stops nicely. He could do with flushing the brake fluid. It isn't a very good color right now, but I can only do how much he needs to pay for, you know what I mean? So, if you liked the video, hit a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, put a thumbs down. Sorry about the visuals on the rear drums. A lot of this stuff is behind the hub, so it's hard to see. But yeah, I hate drums. And you should hate drums too. Never buy a car with drums. Anyways, if you want to see some more stuff, go ahead, check out my channel. Until next time, wrench on.